Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Mail Academy. Today we are going to learn how to convert SeaMonkey to EML. Search on Google to cover SeaMonkey converter. Click on download. Install now. Click on Select Folders option to load folders containing SeaMonkey file. Select SeaMonkey Files folder. Check the folder. Click on EML. Select Destination folder. File naming option. Trial version converts limited 25 items by license to get the unlimited access. By activate the software here. Open destination folder for output. Converted EML files.